Hello, namaste. My name is Laura and I'm so happy that you're here. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I have had a bit of a pause from creating content here on this platform, and I'm very excited to be back. If you are new to this channel, then welcome, and either way, thank you so much for being here. This is sort of like a reintroduction video after having this little break. I'm very excited that this is the time of year that the School of Living Yoga embarks upon a 7-day chakra immersion, a yoga immersion for the subtle body. So if you have been here for a few years, then you are familiar with this chakra immersion and the way that it works. If you're new, I want to tell you about it. So each day will include a practice on a YouTube channel, not just my own. This practice or this immersion will take place on 5 different YouTube channels, all with a faculty member at the School of Living Yoga. Every day we'll have a chakra focus, and you can sign up at the link below. I'll include a link in the description of this video so that the practice of the day, it lands right in your email inbox. These practices might include Hatha Yoga with focus on asana postures. They will include Pranayama, so that's breathing techniques, meditation, and the themes of the chakra of the day. So the best thing that you can do, if this sounds interesting to you, if you're excited for this, then please do sign up at the link, because then it's just an easeful flow for you across the 7 days. But do know that you can take as much time as you need to move through this immersion. So you don't need to follow along in real time. You can take them at your own pace. It's very spacious, and people have really enjoyed it in the past, and we get comments about how impactful this chakra focus can be in people's lives, and the deepening of the embodied wisdom that you can come to experience and explore and embrace in your life. The effect that getting familiar, more and more familiar and intimate with these chakras has is very powerful. So please do join us. You can let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. And I'm also very excited because on my YouTube channel, I was moving through a monthly chakra immersion. Every month I would focus on a chakra, and I actually left off at the throat chakra. I'm very excited to be picking things up with this, starting with this 7-day chakra immersion with the School of Living Yoga. I'll have a focus. My day is the throat chakra, Vishuddha chakra. So yes, this is just a perfect segue. And after that, I'll begin my flow of the monthly chakra focus on my channel after the immersion. So either way, 7-day chakra immersion, you can sign up at the link below to join us. Join me and the faculty at the School of Living Yoga. And I'm just so grateful that you're here, that you've stuck it out patiently, waiting for me to create some new content. But I'm very happy to be back. Excited to get back to practicing with you all. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And you can like this video, leave me a comment, say hi, and I will see you next week in the chakra immersion. Much love.